Hi, welcome back to our class. In this class, we are going to discuss data types in MongoDB and then introductions. First, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a cross-platform uh, document-oriented database. MongoDB is a cross-platform document-oriented database which provides high performance, high availability, and easy scalability. We can measure high performance and then high availability. So availability data at any time, and then easy scalability. We can find the performance. We can achieve the performance and then throughput very easily by using MongoDB. So MongoDB works on concept of collections and documents. So next one, database. First, we need to know what is database. Database is a physical container for collections. Physical container for collections. In a database point of subject technical point of view, database means collection of rows and columns, collection of files. So each database gets its own set of files on the file system, own set of files on the file system. A single MongoDB server typically has multiple databases. Single MongoDB server typically has multiple databases. Next one is collection. So collection is a group of MongoDB documents. It is the equivalent of an relational database management system's tables. A collection exists within a single database. Collections do not enforce a schema. Documents within a collection can have different fields. Typically, all documents in a collection are of similar or related purpose of data. Next one is document. What is document? A document is a set of key value pairs. Document have dynamic schema. Documents are dynamic schema, which means documents are dynamic schema. Dynamic schema means which documents in the same collection do not need to have the same set of fields or structures. I mean rows and columns. And the common fields in a collections documents may hold different data types. So common fields in a collection in documents may hold different data types, not the same data types. So terms used in RDBMS and then MongoDB. So terms used in relational database management systems and then MongoDB. So in relational database system, we can call as database. We can call as database. In MongoDB also, we can call database as a database. In a relational database management system, we can call table as a table, but in MongoDB we can call table as in MongoDB collection. And then in a relational database management system, tuple and then row we can call as tuple. In MongoDB we can call row as in document. Row we can call as document in MongoDB. And then in RDBMS, relational database management system, column we can call as field in MongoDB. And also in a relational database management system, join table join, same we can call embedded documents in MongoDB. So this is the difference. Different terms used in relational database management system and then MongoDB database management system. The next one is data types in MongoDB. So MongoDB supports many data types that are string, integer, boolean, double, minimum and then maximum keys, and then arrays, timestamp, object, null, and then simple, date, object ID, binary data, code, regular expression. So likewise, we have different data types in MongoDB. So we will see one by one. First, string means this is the most commonly used data type to store the string oriented data. So string in MongoDB must be UTF-8 valid. This is the key value. And then integer means this type is used to store the numerical values as it is in a normal database. Integer can be 32-bit or 64-bit, depends upon your server and then database. So Boolean means this type is used to store the Boolean values 0 or 1, true or false, like that. Double means this type is used to store floating point values, so with the decimal values. Next one is minimum and then maximum keys. So this type is used to compare a value against the lowest and highest Boolean BSON elements, Boolean elements. And then next one is array. Array means here in MongoDB, this type is used to store arrays or list or multiple values into one key. Multiple values into one key value pair. And then timestamp means, so timestamp, this can be handled for recording when a document has been modified or added. Object means next one is object. This data type is used to embedded documents. In embedded documents, we can use objects. So next one is null. This type is used to store a null data type, null values. So symbol, next one is symbol. In symbol data type, in MongoDB, this data type is used identically to a string. However, generally reserved for languages that use a specific symbol type. In particular language, specific symbol type we can identify and use in strings. That is called symbol. So next one is date. So date means in a normal database perspective, this data type is used to store the current date or time in Unix time format. You can specify your own date time by creating object of date and then passing day, month, year into it. If we are using embedded means, we can use object binder an object perspective. Next one is object ID. This data type is used to store the document's ID. If you are going to categorize the documents in one group means with the document ID we can categorize that. So for that we are using document ID and then binary data. This data type is used to store binary type. Binary data. Binary means here zeros and ones. Binary type of data we are stored using binary data type. Next one is code. This data type is used to store JavaScript code into the document. JavaScript code into the document by using code. Next one is regular expression. This data type is used to store regular expressions, which we have used in theory of computation and then compile this. So same concept we are using in MongoDB also. So with this, we have come for end of the class. Introduction to MongoDB and then data types of MongoDB. Thank you. We will see you next time.